BRABUS returns to Pebble Beach, California for the 2025 Concours d'Elegance, showcasing an exclusive collection of new masterpiece supercars. In this video, we'll highlight 4 exciting premieres. The BRABUS ROCKET GTS Mean Green features a high-performance hybrid system combining the BRABUS ROCKET 1000 4.5-liter V8 bi-turbo engine at the front with an electric motor on the rear axle. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.6 seconds. Another world premiere at the BRABUS stand is the BRABUS 700, based on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II. To give the British luxury SUV the signature BRABUS wow factor, designers created the wide-star widebody in high-quality visible carbon fiber, finished to match the Cascade Grey special paint. Under the hood, a twin-turbo V12 delivers 700 horsepower. The BRABUS 800 Deep Red takes its name from the exclusive BRABUS color finish Deep Red. Based on the latest Mercedes G-Class, this all-wheel drive supercar features a wide star body entirely crafted in red visible carbon. Another highlight at Pebble Beach is the BRABUS ROCKET GTC Deep Red. This all-wheel drive roadster cabriolet features a body crafted entirely from red, visible carbon fiber. Powered by a 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 high-performance hybrid delivering 1,000 horsepower, it stands among the most powerful BRABUS rockets ever built. The 2025 BRABUS lineup also features the BRABUS 700 based on the Range Rover P615, the BRABUS 930 based on the Mercedes-AMG S63e Performance, the BRABUS 800 Superblack based on the Mercedes-AMG G63, and a 6-star restored Mercedes 280 SE 3.5 Cabriolet. Completing the collection is the BRABUS Shadow 1000 Cross Cabin Phantom Grey Signature Edition Superboat.